In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a price alert on Etoro quickly and easily. This is an essential tool for managing your investments efficiently and ensuring that you're always informed of price changes in assets you're interested in. Let's dive in. First, head over to the Etoro website. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a login button usually located at the top right corner. Click on that button so you can access your account. If you haven't yet registered, make sure to do so by following their straightforward sign-up process. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Etoro homepage, where you can see a variety of options you can explore. Now, your next task is to choose the asset you want to keep an eye on. This could be a stock, cryptocurrency, or an ETF, depending on what you're trading or investing in. Use the search bar to find the specific asset by entering its name or symbol. Once you find it, click on the asset to open its detailed profile. On the Assets page, look around for a three-dot icon. It's usually situated somewhere near the top of the page, allowing you to access additional options related to that asset. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this drop-down menu, you're going to select the Set Price Alert option. This is where you can define the parameters of your alert. You will be prompted to enter a specific price at which you'd like to be notified. Keep in mind, setting a target above the current price is useful if you're looking to sell, while setting below might be more relevant if you're interested in buying when the asset price drops. It's crucial to choose these levels based on your financial strategy and risk tolerance. After entering a valid price for your alert, make sure to save your settings. Etoro will now keep an eye on that asset for you and will notify you via your preferred method, typically email or app notifications, when the asset's price reaches your specified alert level. That's it. You've now set up a price alert on Etoro. This simple yet powerful tool can help keep you better informed and aligned with your investment goals without having to constantly monitor your investments. Remember, the financial markets can move quickly, so having alerts set up allows you to react swiftly to changing conditions. Thanks for watching, and happy investing!